Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord soundboard not showing up in server. So let's get started. Now go ahead and tap on your settings and look for your apps installed. And in the search bar, type for Discord and tap the three dots and try to uninstall this. Now if it doesn't still work and the problem is still not solved, now the second thing is we have to open the run command and type for present app data present and tap OK and look for the file of Discord here, and then you can now try to delete that one. So let's try again and make sure that it's not open. So let's quit and close the Discord app and tap try again. So here we will try to open again Discord and try to log in back your details. And in here, let's go on our account by tapping on the general. So let's tap on the server's overview and tap on the soundboard, and in here you can test whether you can hear or the soundboard is not working or not. Also for the emojis, you can also tap over here in the general and then tap this pictures or emojis, and if you can hear sound, it means it works already. So hope this helps. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more updates.